Hi, こんにちは、あすこ先生です。Hi, I'm あすこ先生, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about busy. Yes, are you busy? Watch this video because it's very short. Alright, so maybe you've learned this word before and then you know the meaning. This is 忙しい, 忙しい. But not always you should use this Japanese word, alright? Because English word busy is not exactly the same as the Japanese word 忙しい. Okay? First, let's check the meaning of 忙しい. 忙しい means like a person who has lots of tasks. Okay? So that person need to do lots of things, work and then life and then very busy with that person. Okay, in that case, 忙しい人です。Yeah. Or 今日は忙しいです。I'm busy. Yes. So if you have lots of tasks to do and then you think, I'm busy today. In that case, you can use this word 忙しい. 忙しい is an adjective word. Okay. 今日は忙しいです。Okay. But not always this word works. Alright. So, for example, in English, you can say busy road or busy restaurant. Yes, in that case, you cannot use 忙しい道 or 忙しいレストラン. ダメです. No, it doesn't work at all. In this case, you need to use this one, number 2. Woo! にぎやかな. にぎやか is an adjective. So, if you describe road, for example, にぎやかな道 is road, okay? にぎやかな道です or restaurant にぎやかなレストランです okay? Or you can use にぎやか at the end of a sentence, so it's a non-adjective sentence. In that case, あのレストランはにぎやかです yes? That restaurant is busy or yeah, にぎやか is lively or lots of people, busy kind of atmosphere, okay? And にぎやか is a very positive word, so you can use, yes, anytime, yes? So, there are two main translations for the English word busy. The first one is maybe almost all Japanese learners know it. 忙しい means like a person who has lots of tasks to do, okay? Long to-do list. That kind of situation is 忙しい. 今日は忙しいです. And then number 2, にぎやかな maybe similar to lively in English. It means lots of people, busy, you know, lively atmosphere, okay? So, この道は人が多いです。とてもにぎやかです。This road has lots of people, very lively, very busy. にぎやかです. Okay? Hope it helps. See you next time. さよなら。またね。